Quite beautiful, isn't it? Oh man, that's beautiful. Oh, the mighty Ohio sure is good looking. But that's not what today's video is about. Back about a week or two ago, I'm reckoning, I had a comment of individuals like, can you give me some motivation to shave my head bald? He's a little nervous about shaving his head bald. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to talk about that. We'll get some kid on here and we'll get some things where we're at. But right now, my bald head's getting cold. That wind is nasty. I'm up here in Rising Sun, Indiana. We're taking our evening walk. And what else better time to do a video like this, right? Angie's got Mr. Kid here, which is being brand spanking new. Hey, Kid. Come here, baby. Come here. Okay. I need you to sit. Here. Sit. Good boy. Stay. All right, you only did that because I hit a treat, I think, right? How you doing, Miss Ange?
Fine.
Keeping your bald head warm, too?
Yep.
Oh, you got hair. I'm afraid when we walk back that way, it's going to be very cold. Well, I've been bald for quite a few years now. I prefer to be bald. Now, when I get much older, I probably grow my hair back, but I prefer it. I'm not going to tell you the benefits of being bald. First of all, in the summertime, you're much cooler, which I'm sure that individual kind of knows that. He's wanting to know, he wants the inspiration to be able to shave it and not worry about, you know, walking around bald. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, take it from me. When I shaved my head bald, I never had anybody ever say anything wrong to me about it. It's always about the beard, or when I grow in my facial fur, I get sometimes rude comments. Never about the bald head. It is kind of funny because the day I got that comment, Kit and I was getting in our car to get ready to leave from the store, and this individual walks up and he's like, anybody ever tell you look like Mr. Clean? I didn't really see the humor in that. I tried to see it. Hey, Mr. Kit, why are you being brand new? Want me to take him, honey?
No, you're videoing.
I'm videoing. I still can't handle him in video. Of course, he does like to pull. It makes the camera jerk. He's just, you know, he's never been in this part of the grass up here. So, of course, it's going to be a little brand new. To be completely truthful, I was worried about it too when I shaved my head. Oh, that sun feels so warm. I was. Of course, before I shaved my head, the haircuts I would get was basically about as short. It was pretty much bald anyway. But I remember when I shaved my head, I was really nervous about what people might say. The first day I shaved my head, I was like, oh boy, we gotta go to the store. Somebody's gonna really notice my bald head. But let me tell you something. The very next day after I shaved my head, I jumped up to get on this counter and cut myself right here. Yeah, so I had a scratch. Okay, let's stand up here. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is. Oh, I'm stoked to show you guys this. Oh my God, this is so damn beautiful. Oh, listen to the water, guys, listen. I don't know if you guys can pick up the sound of the water, but here's what the shoreline is. Oh, to be able to go, well, see, there's a lot of rocks down here. I don't like to fish on a lot of rocks, but as you can see, there's a little bit of sandbar. Well, again, I don't want to call it sandbars, but there's sand right over there. This would make a great place to fish if it was doable. Just throw out your line, spend a whole day here. Oh yeah. So by some chance that individual's watching this video right now, I say to you, shave your head. Go outside with the confidence that I look damn good. Go as many places around many people as you can. But I'm going to tell you, when you do shave your head, you might want to get some lotion on that too, okay? You want to, because if your head's not used to being shaved, it's going to have a little razor burn. So you might want to get some stuff to put on your bald head. I still do it today. Every time I shave my head, I put some stuff on there. But shave your head, get outside, go around as many people as you can, and keep that thought in your head. I look damn good. And I guarantee after you've done that a couple times, it may not even take a couple, you'd be like, I like the bald look. I fell in love with it, obviously, because I've been bald now for quite a few years. I mentioned I was in Rising Sun, Indiana, right? This is a place, guys, that is so nice. My wife and I used to live here back some years ago. Why the hell did we ever move? Oh yeah, we bought a house. Okay, this is for thumbnail purposes. I'm freezing my bald head off now. I do the thumbnail off camera. In other words, I won't record. But yeah, shave your head off, or shave your hair off, not your head. You can't shave your head, can you? Get outside and just know you look good. Just know it. And I promise you, nobody's gonna say anything. I've never, ever had any comments about my bald head. Never. Never. It's always about the damn beard. Always. Never once about the damn bald head. I said damn too many damn times. I could be talking about damn like the water dam, right? Oh, Angie and Kit's way up that way at the car already. So guys, this is a short video today. Oh, I'm hoping my next video is going to be a doozy, a good one. I'm going to do it in Versailles State Park. Ooh, that one's gold. And Kit's up there watching me, waiting for me to come up. He's like, Dad's back there, Mom. We're supposed to wait for Dad. But yeah, I do have something special coming up. Hopefully in the next video. Alright guys, sorry for that short video, but it's cold. And sometimes it's okay to have short ones. Oh, that one's so cold. Yeah, that's the other thing about a bald head. And just understand, you shave your head bald, you feel the cold even more too. Just like in summertime, it keeps you cooler, but in wintertime, it makes you cold. Till next time, come on guys, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.